Good day. So our video for today is some kind of continuation of our 8 by 8 LED matrix. So for this video, we will going to integrate a joystick module to our project. So let us call this bicycle signaling device. So what we're going to do is we're gonna use the joystick to toggle uh, the left and right turn that we will be displaying on our LED matrix. So this is a continuation of our recent tutorial, and we will be needing the joystick module and some connectors so we can integrate this device to our system. So if you want a tutorial about the joystick, please check our channel so you can uh, watch the video about our joystick module. So for this tutorial, first we will going to connect the joystick module to our Uno board. So for this project, we will going to use the pins, ground, 5 volts, our VRX, and our switch. So we will going to neglect the VRY or the Y-axis for this tutorial since we are going to just display the left and right turn on our signaling device. So first, we will connect a connector on the ground pin of our joystick module, the 5 volts, the VRX, and the switch SW. So what the joystick will do is if you toggle to the right, the LED matrix will display arrows facing right. So if you toggle left, the matrix will display arrow to the left, and if you press the joystick triggering the switch, you will reset the LED matrix. So for this tutorial, we will going to connect the ground pin of our joystick to the ground pin of our Arduino, and the 5 volts to the 5 volts, and for our x-axis VRX, we're going to connect it to uh, pin A4, and for the switch we will going to connect to pin A5. So let's connect our joystick module. So ground to the ground of our Arduino, 5 volts to the 5 volts of our Arduino, or rather our Uno board. And for the VRX, we will going to connect into pin A4, and for the switch, we will going to connect to pin 5. So if you want the diagram or the connection of the 8x8 LED matrix. So please check the videos on the description on how to connect this module to the Arduino. So that's it for the wiring. So let's now see the sketch or the code for our project. So I have here the code from our recent tutorial about the 8x8 LED matrix. So we will just going to modify some lines of codes so that we can use this code for our signaling device. So first, we will going to make a custom character out of our 8x8 LED matrix. So first, we will reset this into no fill. Okay. So the idea is we will going to make arrows left and right so that we can add it to the Arduino code. So first, we will going to make some arrows. So this will be going to be the arrow to the left. So to add this to the code, we will just copy this code, then edit this, uh, edit some lines from the code. So for example, this is left turn. So we will make this left turn. So for these lines of code, we will going to uh, convert this into readable lines of codes for our Arduino Uno. So if we are going to light these segments of the 8x8 matrix, so let's start with the first row. So we have here uh, 0, 0, 0, or rather, we will if we are not going to turn on the LED, so uh, we are using an inverted style. So this will be 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So for the next row, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Third row, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Fourth row, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. And for the fifth row, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Sixth row, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Seventh row, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And finally, for the eighth row, we have 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So we have now a line of code for our left turn. So for the right turn, we're going to label this as right turn. So let's reset this from our Excel file. So let's do this one for the right turn. So let's finish this so that we can move to the next phase. And for our some kind of a park light, we were going with this design. Okay, so let's edit this line of code. And for our no light at all, no light, let's just put 1 1 to all. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's just copy and paste. So no light means the LED matrix will display nothing. So once we have this custom character, we're now going to integrate our. So finally, I have edited the code so that we can now use this as our signal device, our bicycle signal device. So let's now upload our code. So let's check the board and the port, and if you already checked, then you can now upload the code. So you can download the code at the description below as your reference to your projects, and I hope this helps on your projects and future ideas, project ideas, and please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates on your prototyping journey. So let's show what our device is doing now. So we now have uploaded our code, and let's see how the our project behaves. So okay, you can see here our park light when we are riding our bicycle in the dark. So this serve as light so that the person behind us, drivers, can see us while we ride our bike for our safety. So if we, by using our joystick, if we turn the knob to the right, you can see that uh, our LED matrix display arrows to the right, and if we turn the knob to the left, you can see the LED matrix is displaying an arrow left. So to reset this, all we have to do is to press our joystick module. So the signal light now returns to its original uh, light signal. Oh, so So for you to see more clearly, I'm gonna turn off the lights so you can now see our bicycle signaling system. So if you are riding the bike, this is the initial signal of our bicycle. If we are going to the right, turn the knob to the right, and you can see we are now signaling to the right. And if you turn to the right and you want to reset the signaling light, just press on the joystick module, and if you are going to the left, then just turn the knob to the left. So you can turn the knob to the right as you wish, to the left, right, left, and right. And to reset, just press the joystick module. So I hope you learned something from this video. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates. Uh, we can give you some tips on how to prototype and future projects for you to deal with. So that's it for now. Good luck on your projects and bye bye.